Hello everyone, this is Joey and I'm working on my 2019 Royal Enfield Continental GT. Today is fun because I'm gonna throw on some new grips on the bike. Right now I'm actually in the middle of changing out the mirrors, but it's been a pain in the ass. If you haven't seen that video, watch that one. So I decided I don't wanna have to take it on, take it off all again, so I'm gonna make a video in the middle of a video and throw these on. These are Vans waffle grip, and I'm really excited for them. So let's go take these grips off and let's put some new ones on. They should be fairly simple. We're not replacing anything. We're just replacing the grips, no throttle body or anything like that. Cool, let's do this. So this like entire little small black thing spins, but I think I'm gonna take the end cap out to see what I'm working with and then put these on. Knows what the secret is. You can push in, push out, pull in, push out, something like that. So I just went live in one of the Royal Enfield Facebook groups and no one said anything. But then I tried to like pry it out and I'm starting to get a little more wiggle room. And I'm hoping that this might just work. Probably not the best thing to do, but this is working. I'm wondering how it's going to be to get it back in. Wow, this is a hell of a fucking bar. Calm down. I feel like it doesn't need to be this big. That was in the bar. So let's cut open this grip. I'm not gonna try to replace it, keep it or anything like that. So basically cutting it off. Okay, it's got some weird kind of texture onto it. Let me zoom in. Which I don't know how that's gonna work without the grip. Knowing how tonight's working, I'm just gonna assume it's not gonna work and we're gonna have a blast. Okay. So when you're replacing grips, usually they come in two sizes. These are both 7/8, but one is a little bit wider for this, and one is a little smaller for the other side that doesn't have the throttle. I'm gonna cut off this middle part right now since it's obviously going to be too long. Shouldn't be too difficult. Hairspray. Hairspray is usually what I use because I spray it on here. It gets kind of wet as lubricant, then I can stretch it over. But then, I cut it too quick. We'll see what happens. But then it dries up and gets sticky. So let's try this right now. Oh, that was easy. Well, that was super easy. So just slipped these back on. I'll show you what they look like. They just literally slide right on. Boom. And then when you tighten this, this tightens down as well. You never want to do everything, one of them tight all the way. I'm gonna take that. So that's done. Let's throw this cap in and be done with this side. Probably a better way to do this than what I'm doing, but at this point I'm tired of this, and I'm going to find a way to either cut the bar down or something else. Look at that. That looks way better. All right, so let's cut this next one. So we can install the next grip. Is that like a ceramic blade? I don't think it works very well. Same thing, a little bit of hairspray. Okay, so because this is spinning, I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna put a few layers of duct or of electrical tape on the bar itself. Hopefully that will give me enough leverage, grip. Yeah, because that wasn't gonna stay on. It'd be just dangerous. Alright, so it's definitely gonna work since I can't get it on right now. So let's spray it on, get it lubey. Dope. I'm hoping that's gonna dry. And hold on. Let's get this bitch on. Okay, now let's go get the end cap and throw that in. So after a long day of multiple little fixes to the garage, to my Royal Enfield. The grips are on. The day is over. So check these grips out. Boom. Look how cool they are. They look like that. Look at that. I feel like maybe I wore the right shoes and socks for today. They look so good. This one is glued on perfectly. The little electrical tape around the bar worked just fine. I'm stoked. The bike looks great. It looks so much better than before. So much just slicker. I don't even know if that's a word, but it is now. If you guys haven't already, my name's Joey. Hit that subscribe button. I have a lot more of content coming up with this my 2019 Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 coming out in the next few weeks. That's it right now. Bye, guys.